Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nivas. Welcome to Live Art channel. This is Batman drawing part 2. We had seen the only drawing in the first part. So in the second part, I'm going to teach you how to color the Batman. Let me start from the cape area, I mean the flying wing. I use black permanent marker to fill up with the dark area. Wherever the dark required, we can apply with a black marker. So now I use a gray color marker and start off with a color pencil, the indigo blue. After that I blend up with the sky blue to have a three-dimensional feel, and then light blue. So the same way I'm going to do for all the cape and head mask, hand glove and the leg boots. You watch carefully. I first apply the dark blue and over that I am using light blue to blend up. This is the format to use a color pencil. The color pencil which I use is Prisma color pencil, the brand name. Now I am going little closer. Okay, the same I am using dark pencil first and then sky blue. Later the light blue. Okay, I am blending with light blue. And finally I have the black marker with the final touch. Now I'm drawing the Batman symbol on the chest with a CD marker. Apply the yellow with the Prisma color pencil and giving orange to have shades. It's a glove area. Same. But I leave the highlights as a direct white sheet. We don't need to use white color or any other white marker. We can have the sheet as a direct highlight. See, now we are finished up with the cape and mask, the boots and underwear and gloves. So now we need to go for the body part. So for that I'm going to use only Apsara dark pencil. Okay. So let's go a little closer. I'm just applying the graph graphite for the even tone with a extra dark pencil. Just completely have the same stroke. You should leave the sheet white as direct highlight. Okay, now I use the cotton buds for smoothing the pencil stroke. So, so while you are smoothing with the cotton buds, the pencil lines mix each other as smoother, and the pencil will fill into the dent area of the sheet. So that I'm using this cotton buds carefully. While you are smudging, the cotton bud should not come to the lighting area. Okay. You smudge it completely without any white dots on the sheet. So now we are ready with the even tone. So next I'm going to build up the dark tone step by step and making the 3D form slowly. So wherever you need to blend the strokes, you can use cotton buds more and more. So this is a rib area and 6 pack, but only 4 packs are visible because the belt with a yellow color is hidden other 2 packs. But we need a patience to work slowly. But anyway, I have the speed video because we cannot sit and watch for a long time, so that I have made this video as faster. The thigh area, mostly for the bodybuilders and other superhero characters, have the huge thigh area, and these are the parts gives the strongness for the character. This is the strong appearance of the leg part. This muscular is like pro bodybuilders. The detailing of the six pack and ribs area and definition of the leg part. So we have to make it carefully. This is a 8B pencil for final depth to create the 3D feel and separate the muscles. Now I'm giving the marker for the outline. So this is a real-time video for only the face area. So we don't need to work more on the face area because most of the part, I mean the important part like nose and eyes and eyebrows were closed with the mask. So anyway, only lips and chin are visible. So we need to give real face color for that. I'm just giving the cream tone as a base tone. Then I use the light orange like a gradient to have a 3D feel. Okay. Again I blend up with the light tone pencil. So almost we are in a final stage. Now I'm giving the final touch with the pen marker because the pencil shade is applied on the dark area, so that I'm retouching the dark lines with the marker. Now we are in the final stage. Now I am showing the final output. I hope that you like this video, and this video is very useful for the beginners. If you like this video, please like the like button and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thank you.